In an era where artificial intelligence is reshaping global capital markets, Pakistan is emerging as a new regional financial hub. In 2025, authorized by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan and hosted by Topline Securities, the AI Quantitative Trading Promotion Summit marked the beginning of a new chapter in financial innovation. At the heart of this project stands Haroon Fatani, Senior Investment Analyst at Topline Securities. With years of research and market expertise, he has built a secure, transparent, and compliant high-net-worth investment framework. Under his leadership, the VIP High Net Worth Trading Account is more than just an investment tool. It is a reliable pathway to sustainable wealth growth. The VIP High Net Worth Trading Account offers 3 core advantages. First, efficient secondary market trading, ensuring instant execution, minimizing idle funds, and capturing opportunities in real time. Second, exclusive access to IPOs and block trades, featuring a zero upfront capital subscription model that greatly reduces capital lockup risk. Third, an AI-powered quantitative trading system, tracking market momentum in real time, identifying potential growth stocks, and executing intraday rotational trades to deliver stable and consistent profits. By joining the VIP program, you will enjoy exclusive benefits in your first month. 1. Free access to the HNWI trading app, plus 1 month of VIP stock strategies. 2. Daily premium stock recommendations with projected monthly returns exceeding 50%. 3. If any VIP strategy incurs a loss, Topline Securities will fully cover the loss with zero management fees. From the second month onward, the VIP membership service fee is only 10,000 PKR per month. Led by Haroon Fatani, the Topline Securities VIP High Net Worth Trading Account is your trusted partner in navigating the future of finance. Join us and embrace the new era where AI and capital markets converge.